Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll be creating our routes that will load our information from the Google URL that's been provided. So first off, start by creating our first file. This will be Google OAuth callback route.js. Okay, once that's done, we'll go to our util directory and create a new file. Yes, we're going to call this getGoogleUser.js. So after that, we'll create another document, update or create user from OAuth.js. So we'll first start with our get Google user. So we'll import Axios from Axios. Basically, this doesn't come built in on the server side. We'll have to install the dependency by ourselves. So we'll first stop our server from running, npm I. Then to confirm there's no Axios on the server packet.json, we'll go back npm i.axios. This will install the Axios dependency and allow us to make HTTP requests. We'll go ahead and import OAuth client from OAuth client. Yes, once that's done, we'll go to our next line, const get access and bearer token URL equals to open brackets, curly braces, hit enter. Then I'll type in the URL, the Google specified URL, http www.googleapis.com/OAuth2/v1/userinfo, and then we'll query the database. Auth equals to JSON and access_token equals to access_token. Okay, I'm doing something wrong here. What is that? I'll first change this to backtips. Then, okay, I'll remove the second curly braces and put my $sign there to indicate it's a variable. Oh, okay, I see. I'll cut this whole line, paste the access token because that's the argument that has been passed. Then I call arrow function and paste the URL there. Then I go and export a function. Export const get Google Auth user equals to async in open brackets with carry code arguments, then open the curly brackets. Then we'll define a structured variable const tokens equals to await OAuth client.get token, which this is a function which will take the parameter of code. Then the next line, const response equals to await axios.get. Then in this place, we'll now put get access and bearer token URL, which will carry a variable of tokens.access_token. Yes. So basically, I will just access token. I'll set this to tokens.access_token. Then I'll first come and put comma, hit enter. Then I'll set the headers. The headers will then be authorization. We'll set it to start with the word bearer, put a backtip, bearer, then we'll $sign, tokens.access_token. Then we'll put comma and return response.data. So I come here and put my access token in camel case. Then also I forgot to put my opening curly braces in the bearer, and I changed my code a little bit. I created a new variable const URL. I put the get access and bearer token there. Then I called the URL in my Axios request, and I set my headers there, and I return my data.